There's a common theory regarding senses and perception, and according to this theory, other senses become more acute as a compensatory measure after one sense is lost or impaired. And based on a research conducted by CPL Aromas and Blind Persons Association during 2011, it has been proven that visually impaired individuals have a heightened level of odor perception when it comes to identifying and distinguishing complex odors. Meet Rahul. From living in the dark to earning a livelihood to build a bright future, life has changed for him. Being visually impaired, he found it difficult to find skilled work. But due to his exceptional sense of smell, he is now successfully employed in the potentially rewarding Indian fragrance industry.
After getting this job, working at CPL Aromas, life has really changed. And you get to know new smelling techniques, how to smell, how to recognize the fragrance. Second thing, working in a spreadsheet like Excel, Word, searching something on a net. In such of times, life is really progressing for me.
CPL has conducted extensive tests both on the visually impaired as well as the normally sighted, and our results clearly reflect that the visually impaired have a far superior sense of smell than the normally sighted. It is said that when one of your senses is lesser, the others are heightened. The law of nature truly balances itself out, and today we can see it in Rahul as well as other such candidates.
Rahul is not the only one who has been able to find employment and earn a steady living. With the help of the Indian fragrance industry, there are several others as well who have seen their lives transform.
Since 2 years, I am working here in the technical training staff. Before joining Kelkar Institute, I was running a PCO. Previously, my financial condition was so poor because that time, due to mobile revolution, booths are not so better to earn.
In the fragrance and flavor industry, it is important to have unbiased opinion in the development of the design of the product. The visually challenged with their heightened sense of smell are invaluable in providing this unbiased opinion in the development and design of better products for our customers.
Our company Anthea have called the visually impaired and we interviewed them, and one of them was selected as a perfumer in our company.
The research conducted using a standard smelling test proved that the visually impaired are twice as likely to pass the smell test as compared to the normally sighted. This was also published in the respectable Perfumer and Flavorist Journal. But only research study isn't enough. It has to lead into something more concrete, which is development and grooming of the individual for the aroma industry.
To nurture this strength, initially a 4-month course was designed, and the management of VG Vazai College obliged us by permitting to execute the course in the premises. And that's how COFFI was born. COFFI stands for College of Fragrance for the Visually Impaired, an exclusive institute focused on training the visually impaired students in all aspects of fragrances and the associated field.
In the first year, 5 of the students who completed this course initially at Vazai College were able to find full-time employment in the fragrance industry. Currently, the second batch of students seeking opportunities in the fragrance industry are enrolled at COFFI. Though the course has certainly changed the life track of the people who joined as students, it also changed the outlook of the people who trained them. The course helped them to understand that there is nothing impossible in the world and our destiny lies in our own hard work and dedication.
It is immensely satisfying to meet those same candidates today who, after completing the program, are placed in some of the most respectable companies in the fragrance industry. I would urge people from the industry to come forward and utilize COFFI as a medium to promote the talent that these candidates possess and help them help themselves.
The block is really in the heads of those who can see. Come rain or shine, the new recruits are there in the office eager to contribute. They might not be able to see, but it's up to us to see the potential that lies within them. We need you all to let go of all socio-cultural biases and be a part of this movement to help, support and nurture a special talent. If you can see the invisible, you can achieve the impossible.